What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got my sister Melanie here. This is Victor. You're watching S95XO, and we finally got another modification for the Mustang. And I can't wait to put it on because it's gonna fit pretty cool with the stuff I've done to it. So let's go ahead and do it. But before anything, I gotta pull out the car and I gotta let it warm up for a little second because it's an old car and all that. So enough of that jazz. Let's go ahead and do what we need to do. Alright, you guys, take a little closer look at the side skirt. I love the way it looks. Let's go ahead and let's get in the car. One of the disadvantages of the side skirt right there is that at least in my personal experience, I'm always hitting that. So anything else besides that, we're good. Well, it'll help a lot if I get the key inside of the... Pretty loud for a stock V6 with nothing but the stock exhaust pipe. She's pretty cool. She's pretty loud for him, in my opinion. I wish you guys can hear it through camera, but I bet you anything you guys can't. Alright, you guys, the car's all warmed up. All we have to do is basically show you guys what I got in the mail, and I'm super excited to install this, just like everything else, because we're in my opinion, every time that I do something to the car, in my opinion, it looks way better. So, got this girl over here. She's gonna help me out a little bit, and we're gonna make this car 0.5% better looking. So, let me show you guys what I got. Give you guys a little glimpse of the car. Do you guys have any idea about what it could be? Look, keep looking, and wait. I think we can do better than that. Hold on. There you go. I finally got an antenna and a third smoke LED brake light for the car. And if you guys ask why I got another antenna, if you take a look right over here, with this one, if I climb this up, no lie, we can probably reach Mars from here. And for the third brake light, let me show you guys real quick. It is super old looking. It kills the look from the back. I'm tired of people calling me up saying third brake light. So here it is. And the bumper, yeah, I need to fix the bumper, but that's another episode. But as far as the brake light goes, we're gonna get installing the brake light. Let's go. Alright, before anything goes down, instructions. Alright, I think we're gonna be good. Let's go ahead and install those. Alright, you guys, basically you're gonna need an adjustable wrench right here, and then you're gonna unscrew that or undo that, and then you're gonna place the new one on, and that's basically it. I know you guys don't want to watch it, so, and voila, there you go. That's how it looks. So from afar, obviously, I don't know if I'm too sure, or if I don't know, I'm kind of it does look good, but then yet again, looks kind of funny to me, maybe because I'm not used to it, but it looks a lot different from what it looks like on the picture and I bought this from American Muscle. So yeah, just a little heads up for you guys, make sure you're gonna get the right one, because I thought it was a little thicker than this, but overall it looks pretty good to me. So let's go on to installing the third brake light. Oh guys, and as far as the third brake light, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go and disconnect this right here. Alright, so you're basically gonna want to get yourself a ratchet with the 10mm socket, and you're gonna want to undo that bolt and that bolt over there. As soon as you're done with that, you slide it right off. And see, I don't have a ratchet that fits there because I don't have an extension. You are gonna need an extension for that, so I'm gonna use a wrench, an adjustable wrench like the one I used for the antenna, and that's pretty much it. And we're gonna go ahead and remove the third brake light. Alright, you guys, so I am currently done removing both bolts. As you can tell, that one came out the whole thing. And now all you want to do is wiggle this out just like that. And this is basically how it looks when it's out. Obviously you don't have the brake light anymore. And all you want to do is you want to, take all these out and I guess put them into the new one, basically. Let me show you guys. So, brand new one. Move this aside. You got the brand new one. Just check it out carefully. You gotta put our, game face on and be patient. Whoops. This is the new one. Shit. Alright, anyways. You guys didn't see that, but okay, hold on. I'm gonna need some assistance. So in order to remove this, all you have to do is twist the left and then pop it right out. That's basically it. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. So that you do the rest do the same for the rest, and that's pretty much it. So you guys, I'm done installing the little, I don't know what these are called, the connectors, I guess, right? And I had a little trouble with these, the little like a cable that goes inside the connector. You have to give it a little push because it's pretty, it's gonna give you a little fight, and I wasn't aware of that. And like the first thing I did was panic and think that I would have to buy new connectors for LEDs, but that that lights are inside obviously, and you have to give it a little push, and that's basically it. We're done. We're now just gonna install it on the car, and let me show you guys how it looks. There you go. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks so good. Alright, once you fastened everything up, there's really like nothing more to it than just enjoying your new modification. I'm gonna go ahead and skip through all that because it's boring, and I'm gonna have to do it myself. Look how beautiful the sunset is, Campbell. Sometimes there's days, let me see, focus it. Yeah, there you go. There's days where there's beautiful sunset, there's days where it's raining. Today it was raining in the morning, and then this happens, but the best view of them all, boom. I'll be right back. So the last thing I'm gonna do, guys, is spray these with WD-40, and this is the one that penetrates rust, I guess, right? And these are old, so I don't want them going onto the new thread and like just ruining it. So I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of WD-40. You don't want to spray it a lot, so here we go. Oh, great. It would work if it actually sprayed, right? So like I said, not a lot. Okay? I'm just kidding, guys. Oh well. Yeah, but you want to spray it. And then that's pretty much it. And then once you let these, dry a bit, then you can, install them. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, so as you can tell, it is nighttime here in Campbell, so we got the car not prepped, but I installed everything. And let me show you guys. I have my sister inside the car. I don't know if you guys can see her, but I have my sister in there. Hit it, Melanie. It looks really good. Finally installed the LED lights. They're super bright compared to these stock, like bulb lights. So I'm pretty happy about the results. And honestly, it was only 40 bucks from American Muscle. I'll put a little link to the item in American Muscle. It's gonna be in the description below. So yeah, keep tuned. I'll show you guys in another video how it looks during the day, because they are supposed to be smoked when the light, it's not on, obviously. But time beat me, Till next time, guys.
The next day.
Alright guys, as you can tell, it is a brand new day, and I wanted to wait till the next day to show you guys the light, because I wanted you guys to see how it looks during the day. And I promise that next video I'm probably gonna do something with the car, like take it to somewhere in San Jose, get some cool photos for it and of the car itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so here's another walk around of the Mustang. So we have all that, the new LED third brake light and the antenna. So yeah, the car it's getting there. Slowly but surely, it's getting there. So that's gonna conclude today's episode, guys. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. And if you are new then once again, my name is Victor. This is SN95XO, and I hope you guys like my content, and I hope you guys subscribe. Until next time.